Hey guys, it's Stan here with another video. In this one, I've got a couple brand new products from Deltahub that they sent over for review. This is the Carpio 2.0 wrist rest that they just released, and I am very excited to try these out because I have used the 1.0 for the longest time, and I've had some thoughts about this, so we'll see if the 2.0 is any good. Now, if you're new to the channel, you probably haven't seen yet, but I actually made a video of the Deltahub Carpio 1.0. And while I've used it every single day since, and it's been done wonders for my wrist, I did have some gripes about it being a little too hard on the wrist rest part, a little not slippery enough on the bottom because it only had plastic feet, and it would easily fall apart on me whenever it fell off the table into 3 different pieces. So that said, I still like it. I've used it, non-stop, so that's why I'm really excited about this. Now, what I got here, they actually sent over 2 different versions. I've got a small black, or no, this is actually large black, and a small white version. So both have a little pouch, and I think the pouches are actually the exact same size for the small and the large. Inside the box here, the box is actually very interesting because you pull it and then the top section comes out, and inside here you have a little sticker and some print about welcome, and it says welcome to the Delta Club with a QR code on the inside. So let me just actually put that aside and put these pouches aside and take a look at this. Actually, before I get into that, I've also got a desk pad that they also sent over. This is supposed to sit underneath your keyboard and act as a mouse pad. So we'll use this as the mouse pad to test everything on. Now, right off the bat, you can see that these 2 wrist rests are different colors. You got a white and a black. They are very similar in the shape as the old one, but clearly they're different on the back side, and even the construction, the material of construction is different because the shape still works perfect. It fits your wrist and is contoured, but the material on the top side is a softer touch material. So and very distinctly, the left side, the thumb side here, is a harder, thicker material, while the right side is a softer, plushier material. I guess you need a little bit more support on the thumb part of the palm, while just softness on the right side. They probably did research and came up with that conclusion. Now, the material on top is, like I said, it's still a rubberized material, but it's a little bit silkier in feel. The old one is a harder rubberized material and is more like an eraser, while this has got like I can only explain it as a silkier feel to it. Looking at the white here, the white is a very pristine white. I don't know about longevity in terms of how well it's going to hold up against dirt and grime, but certainly right now it looks very nice. I would imagine if you have a white mouse, a white wrist rest would go along very well with that. On the back side, you'll see special designs here as well. You have a texturized pattern on the rubber, and the slippy feet, it goes all the way around, so you have multiple points of contact in the raised parts. And the result is you have a much smoother feel for the glide compared to the old version. You see, you can probably hear the difference. The old one catches a lot because it's just plastic, while the new one just kind of glides on this felt mat. So when you use it, it just feels so much better. I've got medium-sized hands, neither large or small. The small one is a little bit too small. You can see here, it really sits there, but it doesn't actually cradle my hand that much, while the large sits perfect. So if you have small hands, if you're a girl, maybe the white one, or not the white one, but the small one is going to be probably better for you. If you have medium to large size hands, the large one is certainly going to be the one for you. Now, other little things to note is that you've got a little cutout in the middle with the Deltahub logo, The old one does not. And really, there's not much more to say about this. It does look like you can actually take these 3 pieces apart, but you can see here, again, this material is a lot softer of a material, and the pegs themselves on the hard plastic, they have a little top to it so that it kind of locks it in so it won't fall apart. It's actually kind of amazing. I don't know if they studied the video that I made previously, but gosh, they took the constructive criticism and they made a much better product because the rubber is not going to fall off by itself. You know, you could drop it on the floor, it won't fall off, and the bottom is good and the top is soft. So really, 10 out of 10. I can't sing enough praises for this product, because especially coming from the old one. Don't get me wrong, the old one is good, but this one is so much better. And if you're in the market for a wrist rest, a premium wrist rest, this is for you. Just a quick little story here. In the beginning of the lockdown, I was at home for a lot, and I ended up using the computer for many hours, and I started getting pain in my wrist, and that's where I ended up actually picking up this product, or actually this product. So like I said, I've been using it for a very long time. It works, it alleviates pressure, and it kind of rolls the wrist forward, or rolls the hand forward, putting less pressure on the wrist. And after a week of using this, the pain just went away. So it actually works. It's great. I am very happy with these products right here. This pad, I don't know, not much more to say about this pad. It's felt, it's very long. It's fine. But if you're in the market, make sure to check this out. Make sure to take a look at their website. I'll make sure to link everything in the description down below for your convenience. And if you guys got any questions, make sure to comment down below, ask your questions, and while you're at it, hit the like button on your way out. That'd be great. Anyway, my name is Stan, and I'll see you guys in the next one.